just want to tell you. I just want to tell you that you're awesome. God, you're awesome. You came to me. You showed me the way. And you love me the way you do, and I didn't know you. No. And you made a way, you gave me the way, you showed me the way, you made a way for me. And then you, Lord, save us from how many things we didn't even see. It was you. Oh, you're so awesome. And you're awesome, mighty, amazing. Oh, my soul has found myself in a place that I have no business being. Even after you made me free, guess what? I believe in thee, and thee has made me free. It's you, Lord, that is awesome. No one is compared, no one is there, no one is in the air but you. You're awesome. Oh, you mighty, awesome. Oh, you're so awesome, God. You're so awesome. Oh, so awesome, so awesome. You're awesome to me. Wait a minute. At times when I was sinking down and didn't even know how I would be found. The time when I was all and my heart was empty, didn't know which way I should be. You came right on in and you. I can feel you, I know you, I see you all in my life, and I love you back, and I know that's the way, and I praise you with all I have, and even when I don't have a good day. You're awesome, God, and I love you, God, I love you. You came to me, I had nothing, and I didn't know which way I was going to go, and you made a way. Out of the way. You are awesome. You made a way. Oh, you amazing. So amazing. You're amazing to me. You're amazing. So I have this in my life that I owe you all of my life. Pick me up, turn me around, and place my feet on higher ground. You made a way. Made a way. You are amazing, amazing. You are amazing, amazing. You are amazing to me. You are amazing. Jehovah Jireh, you're amazing. You're amazing. awesome, we are awesome. Tweety,